Gonna come around the let. Look at the streetcar tracks. The streetcars ain't passing today, you know. Yeah, look at these ceiling fans with them icicles up there. Y'all see that? I ain't gonna touch that. Icicles and everything. Y'all see? Hey, how you doing? I see them icicles up there. I'll just film it with my camera. Yes, indeed. Well. Oh well. I'm putting no graffiti on. Yes, indeed, Wardy. Yeah, I'm in the CBD. Now I'm recording in the CBD. I was live momentarily. There's one elevator in here. If they do have an elevator in here, just in case anybody can't climb the stairs, you know, because I'm asking God to give me strength to climb those stairs, because y'all know I don't like no elevators. Can't stand them things, you know. How y'all doing?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
All right. Okay, so here we are on St. Charles. Going to St. Charles and Gerard or whatever. Streetcar tracks. So there's no streetcars that's gonna come around here today, you know. Oh well, WDSU station is around here, you know. Oh well.